Hey guys, do you think you know how to pronounce kitchen utensils in French? Alright, spoiler alert, you might probably be pronouncing that wrong. But let's fix that in 2 minutes. And hey, this is beginners friendly, easy to learn, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Are you ready for it? Let's go. La cuillère, which is the spoon, right? Yes. Donc, je mange ma soupe avec une cuillère, which translates as I eat my soup with a spoon. Yeah. La fourchette, which is the fork, right? So for the example sentence, what do we have? Je coupe ma salade avec une fourchette, which translates as I cut my salad with a fork. Yeah. Le couteau. Yeah. Le couteau, which is the knife. And for the sentence, what do we have? Okay. Fais attention. Le couteau est très tranchant, which translates as be careful. The knife is very sharp. Yeah. La poêle, which translates as the frying pan, right? Yeah. Okay, for the sentence, what do we have? Je fais des crêpes dans la poêle, which translates as I make crepes in the frying pan. Yeah. And next is la casserole. La casserole, which translates as the pot or the saucepan, right? Yes. And for the sentence, what do we have? Okay. Je fais bouillir de l'eau dans la casserole, which translates as I boil water in the pot. Sometimes, yeah. L'assiette, right? Which is the plate. Yeah. So for the sentence, what do we have? Je mets les pâtes dans l'assiette, which translates as I put the pasta on the plate. Yeah. So there you have it, guys. These are some of the kitchen utensils and how to say them in French, right? Now it's your turn. Try saying them out loud with me and tell me which word was the trickiest. Comment down in the comment section, and don't forget to like the video, share it with your loved ones, and hey, till the next time, you stay safe.